Okay, next we will add categories and age categories that are required for our event. How do we do it? We click the Categories menu, then click Copy Category. We can add categories from another event, the event we have created before, or add categories from the available templates. Here, templates are available in English, Indonesian, Spanish, and Portuguese. We select the default English template, select All, then click Copy to My Event and click Yes. Now all categories have been copied. In our event, we now have a list of categories and age categories. Next, we will prepare the registration form that will be distributed to all contingents. How do we do it? We will create the registration form in this menu. Select the Build Template menu, then choose Competitor with New Contingent. Then click Save. After the file is successfully created, we open the file. In the contingent section, we fill in the data, for example, Dojo Yabinya. Then in the country section, fill in Indonesia. Fill in the athlete details who will compete. In the age categories section, we look at the date of birth. We can check the age categories sheet to see which group the athlete belongs to. This athlete belongs to junior, so we select junior. In the Kumite individual column, for example, all categories included in the junior age category will appear. Okay, next is the explanation of how to register athletes using the form registration template method. So this registration form is created by the event organizer, then distributed or sent to all contingents. Then the contingent will fill in the data of the athletes who will compete. After the data entry process is complete, the registration form will be sent back to the event organizer. Next, the event organizer will import the data into the Yabinya software. Let's complete the example template that we have created. After the data is completed, next we will import the data into the Yabinya software. Then select the Excel file. Next, click Save Contingent. In this data grid section, for athletes who participate in team categories, click Edit to update the team name. Then click Save. Okay, after finishing, click Save Import Result. In the contingent menu, we can check the results. In this list, all data has been successfully entered. We try clicking Edit to view the details and make sure the categories match the data in the Excel file. Then in the Competitor as Team section, the data has also been entered. To add a contingent manually, click Add New here. There is an option, Contingent as Country or Club. Add the name of the contingent, for example, Dojo X. Select Use Contingent Picture if you have a contingent logo. Then click Save and Continue. Next, in Dojo X, we will add new athletes. Then complete the athlete data. Then select the category to be registered for the athlete. Perform the filtering process, then select the category according to age and weight. Then click Submit. Then press Save. Okay, we have successfully added an athlete manually. Then in the Competitor as Team section, we can also add data manually. You can fill in the team name, the athletes who will join the team, and the category to be registered for Competitor as Team. In the next video, we will learn about the drawing process.